Hi friends, next is background layer. We are defining the background image in a new file called background.js in the asset folder, exporting the object background with the page background, which consists of base 64 data of the image. And this object is imported in our file. We need to initialize the background function and it receives the argument current page and page size. We use the image property as well as fit property to insert the image and for sizing the image. Width and height can be given using the page size argument since we need the background fully filled within the page. Either we can use directly width and height property or we can use it as fit property. Since I need the background only for the first page, I am restricting it using the current page value as conditional. There's a second method to implement the background in our page, that is using the same image property. Also, we are using the property called absolute position. It's an object that consists of x and y coordinates. It's a positioning object, so when we give that property, it acts as the absolute section. So whatever comes after, it is viewed in the top of it. Width and height for that image must be given manually. The better method is always the first one. Background layer can have any kind of contents, not only the image. It can be tables, text, etc. Next, we are going to give a title for the cover page. To position that in the right side, we use the columns. Yeah, that looks fine now. Now let's style a bit. Okay, that's it for now. See you in next video.